Today I'm going to talk about the multiplication of two polynomials. Okay, so before I solve this problem, I would like to recall a formula. That is exponent multiplication. X to the power a times x to the power b. That should be x. Keep the base x. Let the exponent add together. Okay, so now let's take a look this polynomial multiplication. So the first of all, we do the distribution. X times x to the power 4, x times x times -2. Okay, so x times x to the power 4 plus x times x plus x times the third term, x times -2. So when you do the multiplication with a negative number, I suggest you write down the parentheses. Okay, parentheses or round bracket. Okay, so now we're gonna follow the formula here. For this term, we have x, the base, a is 1, b is 4, 1 plus 4. And for the second term, that is what? Is x times x. So that means 1 plus 1. And for the last term is x times -2. Should be -2x. Now we can simplify it. We have x to the power 5 plus x squared -2x. Now let's take a look. The second example, we're gonna follow the same strategy. Let this term times the first monomial. Let -3x squared times 7. Okay, so we have -3x squared. Because it's negative, I suggest to you guys put a parenthesis. Okay, times 3x to the power 5. Again, the second term is -3x squared times 7. Okay, now let's take a look this term. For this term, we have constant, and we also have x terms, right? So for constant, we have -3 times 3. That is -9. And for the x exponent terms, we have x squared. Here's x to the power 5. So that means we follow this formula: 2 plus 5. Okay, and for the second term, we have -3 times 7. That is -21. And here is x squared. Okay, we can simplify it. We're gonna get x to the power 7 minus 21x squared. Now let's take a look the last example. Okay, so we follow the distribution property: 3x times x, 3x times 3, and here for the second term, 4 times x, 4 times 3. Okay, so we can write down 3x times x 3x times 3. And for the second term, 4 times x, 4 times 3. Okay, and then let's take a look. Here's the constant 3, and for the x terms we have x times x. So let the exponent add together, okay, following this formula. And for the second term we have 3x times 3. 3 times 3 equals 9x. And third term 4x. And the last term is 4 times 3 should be 12. Okay, we can simplify it. 3x squared plus 9x plus 4x. 9 plus 4, 13. X plus 12. That's it.